Are you looking for the best folding high chairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best folding high chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Kids Embrace Adjustable Folding High Chair. The Kids Embrace Folding High Chair is an extremely secure product thanks to the expert solid construction and 5-point harness system. It has a fully cushioned seat that is made from premium quality polyurethane for the optimum comfort of your child. Plus, the 3 adjustment positions for the footrest add to the convenience of your adorable kid. At number 4, Ingenuity SmartServe 4-in-1 High Chair. The Ingenuity Folding High Chair is a great tool to feed your child efficiently. It is a super sturdy product that is lightweight and compact. And so you can seamlessly carry this high chair to your lawn, on a picnic, and other outdoor activities. It folds up fast, and you can store it in your home or car without taking up too much space. At number 3, Disney Baby Minnie Mouse High Chair. The Disney Folding High Chair has a special design Minnie Mouse design that is perfect for your little girl. It has a no-nonsense structure that is very easy to fold and unfold when needed. This product is manufactured using premium-grade materials that are free from harmful chemicals. And, this high chair is super comfortable for your child. At number 2, Baby Trend Sit Right High Chair. The Baby Trend Folding High Chair is ideal for kids who weigh 40 pounds or less. It offers superior comfort and safety for your little one, and feeding is made easier with this product. This high chair is foldable, compact, and portable, and so you can save space in storage, and you can effortlessly carry it to other places. Plus, it is made with high-grade materials that are free from harmful chemicals. At number 1, Costco Simple Fold High Chair. The Costco Folding High Chair is the perfect seat for your child at home, as well as when you travel. It easily folds to save space in your house or in your car, and the cleaning is easy. Your precious child will surely feel utterly comfortable with the soft fabric, plus it is designed to be safe to use. You never have to worry about the safety of your kid in this high chair, since it is excellently stable and strong. More importantly, this product meets the high standards of safety of ASTM, and it is certified by the JPMA. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.